Introducing Joyetech ESPION Silk with NotchCore atomizer kit. The ESPION Silk with hypoallergenic properties is smooth to touch and comfortable even for people with sensitive skin. Click up-down buttons to adjust the wattage. 3 clicks the fire button and then up-down buttons to switch the mass. Click the fire button and up button simultaneously to activate the menu. You can choose which sub-parameter to display. Turn the stealth mode on. Set the preheat parameter. Set timeout duration. Check system info and check the battery life. The NotchCore atomizer comes with an innovative notch coil head in the horizontal way, and you have 5 coils in the package in total. Simply soak the cotton properly. Install the atomizer base. Push to open the top cup. Fill it up. Close the top cup. Adjust the wattage and enjoy the flavor.